Struggling to manage your business's finances across multiple banks? Juggling different login credentials, enduring slow transfer times, and wrestling with outdated interfaces? What if there was a way to consolidate it all, to have a complete overview of your business's financial health in one place, with one login? That's where Relay comes in, and today we're diving deep into one of its most powerful features, the multi-account capability. This isn't just about opening a few checking accounts. It's about a fundamental shift in how you organize and understand your business finances. Imagine this: a separate account for your payroll, another for your taxes, one for your operating expenses, and maybe even a dedicated account for your marketing budget. With Relay, you can create up to 20 individual business checking accounts, all under a single login and all with their own unique account numbers and routing numbers. This level of organization is a game changer. It's not just neat, it's strategic. By separating your funds, you gain crystal clear visibility into your cash flow. You can instantly see how much you have allocated for payroll versus how much is available for a new project. No more guessing games or sifting through a single, cluttered account statement. The benefits don't stop there. This feature makes it incredibly easy to budget and track expenses. You can assign virtual or physical debit cards to specific accounts, giving your team members controlled access to funds for their designated tasks. No more messy expense reports or surprise overspending. Plus, with Relay's automated rules, you can set up transfers to automatically move a percentage of your revenue into your tax savings account or your profit account. You can literally set it and forget it, knowing your money is working for you automatically. It's all about providing you with the clarity and control you need to make smarter financial decisions. You're not just managing money. You're building a more resilient, more profitable business. The multi-account feature is more than just a convenience. It's a financial strategy baked directly into your banking platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.